Hi.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Today is second Friday of Aadi Masam, that is Ashada Masam. I am going to make Chakkarai Pongal.
Okay.
On first day of the Friday, I made Payasam. No, now I am going to make with jaggery.
Okay.
We all for Fridays we can make sweet and any other thing also. Main if you make with jaggery, it will be good for health. And my practice is making only with jaggery.
Okay.
Jaggery always.
Okay.
So what are the ingredients I have?
Let's see.
See, this is dradshe. Dry grapes.
Raisins.
Dry grapes.
Dry grapes.
I
Yeah.
have just dried it and fried it in the oil and kept here.
Okay.
This is coconut. I have, all of you know that I will put coconut for everything.
Yes.
Even for this, if you cut like this and put inside, when it is cooked and you eat it, the taste will be very awesome in this.
Really?
This is my trial. If some old persons are there, you are not able to, they cannot
bite.
eat meat, you can just grate it also and put it.
Okay. Okay.
For grate it also and you can put it.
Okay.
But this will be more taste, like cashew nuts it will be. Oil,
So we have also fried this in oil?
Fried with oil and ghee. Sorry.
With ghee?
With ghee.
Okay.
Everything only with ghee.
This is also with ghee?
Everything ghee. Cashew nuts, ghee.
Cashew
I told
nuts.
for every jaggery food, you have to put 1 spoon sugar. Then only till the sweet will shoot up.
Correct.
1 spoon, just a spoon. This is ghee, homemade ghee to do the remaining.
Okay.
Now, I have.
This is
the filtered jaggery water. Now, I have to go to filter.
Okay.
Because in the jaggery there will be mud. Already I have showed in payasams everything. This there will be mud something or that.
Okay.
What you have to boil it. Just boiling only. With water. And then when I am going to put on this, with this filter, tea filter, no?
Okay, we are going to filter it. So this is just the boiled jaggery.
Boiled jaggery water.
Okay,
Water.
we have
This
not
is-
yet filtered, we are going to filter.
And this is the measurement for the pongal.
Okay.
I have taken 1 tumbler of rice.
Mm-hmm.
Raw rice.
Okay.
Nice fried it. Separate I have fried it. 1 tumbler raw rice. I have separated ghee only everything.
Okay.
That I separated and put it in a plate.
Okay.
Again half tumbler. 1:1/2.
Half,
Whatever
okay.
measurement take, 1:1/2. If you take
Okay.
2 means 1.
Okay, got it.
Another moong dal. Half tumbler moong dal.
Okay.
That also we have to fry it separately and put it in the rice itself. Raw rice.
Okay.
And then chana dal, just 2 to 3 teaspoons, not much.
Okay.
Like the cashew nuts it will be.
Okay.
When it is cooked
Okay.
with that, it will be very tasty. 2 to 3 teaspoons for chana dal. That
Okay.
also you have to fry it. And I
Mix it with
I
that.
have already told in Pongal how to clean it, cook it, how many whistles, how much is the water.
Okay.
Same way only it is. But there we are doing it salt, here we are doing it
Jaggery.
and sweet. That's the difference.
Super.
Cooking but no, for that no chana dal.
Just for a recap,
I'll tell
it is just one glass of raw rice,
Rice,
half
half
glass of moong, and 3 to 4 tablespoons
Two to
of
three, enough.
2 to 3 tablespoons of chana
chana
dal.
dal.
Nicely roast it.
And then put it in the
Vessel. And how much water?
Just 3 to 4 tumblers.
Okay.
That also I will show you. I have showed in Pongal, in tumbler also you can do. And I showed you if you keep the fingers, if you want very like fried rice like that, it must go below the hand. And if you want very nicely fine means, smashed means, it must go above the line.
Okay.
I have shown in the Pongal. You can see in that and do it.
Okay, we'll just put also the link
there.
in our description so that in detail they can see there.
You
Okay.
see, you will know it very nicely. Then
Okay.
I have done in the Pongal, you see it and do accordingly. Same thing, but for Chakkarai Pongal, we are putting chana dal.
These are the additional ones.
That is one extra. Nothing. Even if you put no problem, that is. But in Pongal, we won't put that.
Okay.
Same everything. See, I have cooked it nicely. This Angala Amman will say.
Very heavy.
Very heavy and very tasty. Everything will be smashed nicely. Can you see how nicely it is smashed?
Yeah. How many whistles did we give?
What now?
How many whistles in cooker?
Cooker, I give some 8 to 9 whistles.
Okay.
If it is cooked nicely, no problem. Then only Chakkarai Pongal will be nice. What you have to do is fry it and cook it. Before it gets cooled down, you make ready all this.
Okay.
Just 10 minutes the work will be over.
Okay.
I am telling all easy works only for you. Easy works only for you. Just fry it, cook it nicely in the cooker for 8 to 10 whistles.
Okay.
8 to 10 whistles. If it comes immediately means some of them cookers now the whistle will come immediately. At that time you must give at least 2 whistles extra.
Okay.
If you give time and give 2 to seconds, 2 to 3 minutes time and keep it means you can give 8 whistles is enough.
Okay.
But you have to pour much nice water and you have to be careful with that.
Okay.
And don't put the weight when starting itself. Another one thing I have showed in the Pongal, you should not put the weight before itself.
Weight is something this in the cooker.
Yeah. This one I have showed in Pongal. Don't put the weight. Only when you get the flame like this.
Is that so?
Other way, because
okay.
in this under, I showed in that, in this under there will be some part like this, it won't stick.
Acha, rice goes and sticks there. I
when
see
you put the directly, when starting itself, you put the ghee, then it will not come out. What will happen? It will burst. You must give gap for the this to come.
Till it is heated and the steam just initially when it comes out.
So only if nothing is there, steam will come out. Then you can understand, oh, some steam is not coming means, oh, something is there inside. You can take and clean it. Otherwise, it will be a big problem.
Okay.
If it bursts means something inside. That is why the whistle is not coming. So don't put this weight before whistle.
Only once the steam starts coming, we need to put the weight.
You can see like that for all whatever you cook in the cooker, you do that. That's a safety measure.
Okay.
I have learned that so many persons are doing like that. Please don't do that. It's not safety. That's why it's bursting.
Okay. Let's start cooking. Yes. Okay.
As I told you, I removed from the cooker. You should not keep directly now itself. Pour everything. See, the water is, jaggery is poured. Something now this jaggery is good, so nothing is there. Certainly jaggery, it is good jaggery. You know there will be some mud bad mud is there. So that's why we are filtering. Nicely mix. And another one thing, you have to smash it when it is hot itself.
Then only it will smash nicely.
Then this coconut. Everything fried, no?
Yes. So we are putting everything now.
Everything there. Next, cashew nuts. Next, cardamom. Sugar. Also add cardamom. That is in Tamil, yelaka.
This could be optional if somebody wants.
Some of them they won't put because my daughter-in-law, she doesn't like cardamom. If I make Sakkarai Pongal, no, my daughter-in-law Anush is there. She never eats with cardamom. What I'll do before putting, that's why I didn't put before. I took something kept for her separately and then I added. Because she will never eat with cardamom. So what I'll do before putting cardamom, I will take and keep for her some and then add it. I'll cook it that separately. And oil. Now little, as usual I told you, no, when it is hot it will absorb much. So now you add ghee and keep it on the stove.
Acha, now directly on the stove.
Because this is very weight, full weight.
Yeah, very heavy.
So it will not get sticky.
Okay.
For 10 minutes if you cook it, over. See how watery it was. Now it has come like a glass. That's why I pour little more water and you have to cook for 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
Then only it will come
in medium flame.
Oh, it was watery now. This cook, see like glass it is. Can you see? The bubbling sound now?
Yes.
This is the last cooked stage.
Okay.
Now we can off the stove. Can you see the steam coming?
Yes. Okay.
Now we'll off the stove. This I told it is Vengapanna, no? It's very hot. In this hot temperature itself, it will become still thick.
Okay.
After 10 minutes, it will
you have to take it out.
And we have to take it and serve hot or cold. For children means cold. This is the Chakkarai Pongal.
Okay, so it's done.
One made for all functions. When we make Venpongal, no? I have made already Venpongal. With that, if you make this combination, it will be nice.
So now the small baby can also eat this?
Oh, sure. Very nicely she can eat.
Okay.
Very nice. She'll be ready to eat now. Today is second Friday, no? So first Friday I gave her Payasam. Today second Friday I'm going to give her Chakkarai Pongal.
Okay, so let's.
We'll see in Tamil.
Yes, you told last time.
Small children. Before 10 years there, we'll call them as small goddess. In those days, we'll give them on Fridays. We'll call them, give them lunch, give them pavada, everything that system was there. But nowadays we are not able to. Children are also busy. Many children are busy. Children are busy. So we are not able to call them on Fridays.
Okay.
Like this we can do on next one Friday. You also do it.
Okay.
Aadi. And this is for all my 3 daughter-in-laws. My sister's daughter-in-law, 2 and my daughter, all were born only in Aadi. Say one Payasam I made for one daughter-in-law and Pal Payasam for my daughter-in-law and this one for me.
Super.
Another daughter-in-law.
Great, but only Meera will be tasting it.
All the daughter-in-laws, Meera will be tasting. Meera is a representative for
everyone. Oh, Meera
is. Chakkarai Pongal is ready and 2 Kuti Papas is ready to eat. And see, she's waiting. Amma, she's
Oh.
she also will catch it. See,
That much.
she did not have the patience of me to do her.
She not to eat.
Yes. She's a grown-up girl now.
See.
Look,
She's
look.
yes.
Catching the spoon.
She's catching the spoon. See.
She loves it.
Now,
Super, of course she loves it. Raghav, how about you?
How about you? Raghav, eat. Papa ate her thing. Now you eat. How it is? Fine. How it is?
Sweet.
You like sweet, no?
Papa likes the sweet. And she is coming down and eating.
Hey, Mira.
Maybe she want to eat a full bowl.
Maybe because she likes no.
She likes it. So great. This is great for the kids.
For Aadi Masam, Friday I made this Sakkarai Pongal and given to Kutti Papa. You also can do it. This full Aadi Masam, any one day you can do it. Mainly on Fridays.
Okay.
And good.
Okay. Thank you for sharing this recipe with us.
Okay, bye. We'll see you
Bye.
in the next video again.
Yes.
Bye.
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 Mira, say bye.
Say bye.
Say bye, Raghav.
She is busy seeing only this Chakkarai
Oh,
Pongal.
yes.